feeling like the president, but I can't vote, boy. Picked him out from miles away, he in my scope, boy. How you speaking on my name and making no noise?
I saw in your video that you when you responded where you spoke on one of the well, it wasn't you. I saw a video you played in your video where they were saying one of the jurors they was forced to come with a verdict or something.
No, so what they saying is this part of what I was telling you after, the people that were saying they received the bag, they were saying that I guess they were tired and wanted to go home. This the story. That supposedly one of them that was saying he wasn't guilty, they were saying tired and ready to go home. Because remember, this didn't come out till after the trial. And this is the other girl they said that was paid to say somebody made her change her story because she was tired and she didn't get dismissed. But this is why that's bull. That judge said he wouldn't accept the guilty verdict. So this is by law. He got in his power to do that. Judge Littenberg. He said, I want y'all to go back and come back with another verdict. So he didn't accept what they said out the gate because he wanted to make sure that he got it right. So this is why dude appeals didn't go through. It ain't have nothing to do with that judge sitting up there. It's that judge did everything by the book. So if you come in here and you say, hey, I'm tired, I'm going to say, yo, you wasn't in your right mind. Go back out there, litigate again, and then come back in here. So that's what happened. But because of all the political stuff, of course it came out. They forced the girl to change her statement, and you know all the stuff that I had said about Sassoon too.
How was he able to get the first appeal? What was the clause that helped him get granted on that?
So that lady, and again, so this I don't have no facts for,
okay,
but I'm going to tell you what the streets were saying and what he didn't disagree to. After agreeing to all the other stuff. So the word was Master P gave her a bag because Master P did a lot of stuff for C Murder behind the scenes. So I hate when people say Master P didn't do nothing for his brother. The reason I have mutual respect because he didn't hide nothing from me. He said nothing I say or do will bring your brother back. But here's my condolences, and like I said, he apologized, and then he let me know the stuff he was doing for C Murder because he didn't want it to come as a shot. So what was said is P supposedly gave her the bag. He didn't confirm or deny that. I'm not going to lie on the man. So when she got the bag, what she said was it was held from the attorney, his initial attorneys, that the witnesses had backgrounds. The dude with the pedophile dude, the one with the murder, and then I think Darnell Peanut had some speeding tickets or something. But it was all BS too, but it was enough to get him a retrial. And that first verdict was 12-0. So with a judge that you have on your side, the jury still found him, a unanimous jury of 12-0 found him guilty the first time. And I'm going to keep reiterating that for those that forgot. And you can actually go back and look at that. It wasn't a hung jury. It was 12-0 the first time. But he got a retrial because she said they withheld evidence, and that's what got him back in court for the second trial.
Okay, cool. And then the second time he went to court and he got found guilty, he was denied an appeal.
Right, so the second time, it didn't go well. The second time was the 11-1 or 10-2, whatever you want to call it. And then all the appeals got affirmed.
August 11, 2009, the jury found Cory Miller guilty of second-degree murder. He was sentenced to mandatory life imprisonment. What is interesting about this case is that he was found guilty of murder, intent to vote. It was not unanimous. Louisiana was the only state where you can convict someone to life in prison with non-unanimous jurists. Even though in 2018 it was decided to end non-unanimous juries in Louisiana, the change was not retroactive. In 2019, Cory Miller's legal team filed for a motion demanding a new trial, since key witnesses like Darnell Jordan and one other came out and said that they were being pressured into testifying against Miller by the authorities. Judge ruled a new trial cannot be granted. Miller to this day maintains his innocence, and he, his brothers, and his nephew have all called for a new trial numerous times, but he's still incarcerated to this day.
No, bitch ain't bigger than the program. Bitch ain't bigger than the program. Bitch ain't bigger than the program. Next time you need to remember. Bitch ain't bigger than the program. I ain't no nigga bigger than the program.